Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to download and install Roblox on your Windows 11 from Microsoft Store. Okay, so for this guys, press Windows key button and here we need to search Microsoft Store and open it. Okay, like this. To use the Microsoft Store guys, first you need to add and log in your Microsoft account in this store. So I have already logged in my account, and then in the search box you need to search Roblox like this and open the search result page like this, and from here you can get the option to download and install the Roblox on your PC. If you want to download and install, just click on get. It will start the downloading process. So the downloading process depends on your internet speed. So if the internet speed is very fast, so it will quickly download on your PC. So if the internet speed is slow, you need to wait for a few minutes till the downloading process was completed. After the downloading process was completed, you can easily use the Roblox on your PC. So with this help of easy and simple method guys, you can easily able to download Roblox on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you very much.